Have you got a Microsoft 365 account? Great. Well, then you'll be able to summarize PDF documents with Copilot. Let me show you how. I'm here inside Microsoft Edge, which is the Microsoft browser, and on the top left I've signed in with my work account here. Now I could access Copilot by going to copilot.microsoft.com, but I want to be able to summarize PDF files. So let's open one and see how it looks. When I open PDF documents, they open automatically in Microsoft Edge, but if you right-click your PDF, you can choose how you wish to open it. We're going to choose Edge. Great, so this is a 32-page document and I want to get a 10-point summary from it. I'm going to use the Copilot side panel. Now look over on the right-hand side. Can you see the sidebar? If you don't have the Copilot icon, we need to access it. So to do this, go to the three dots on the top right of your screen, go down to Settings, and then go to Sidebar. Scroll on down, you'll see Copilot here, and you can turn it on. So it'll automatically open Copilot in the sidebar. And you do want Copilot to read context clues on the web, so make sure that one's selected as well. Let's go back to our PDF document, and now I've got the Copilot icon. I can click on here to open up the Copilot side panel. And Copilot knows that I've opened a PDF inside the browser, and I can choose Generate Document Summary, or I could ask a specific question about this document. Let's generate the summary as a quick option. Great, well look, that was a brief summary. It's given me 4 key points here. I can jump into where it's referenced the legislation or the toolkit, or I can ask further questions about this document through using Copilot, and it's free with your Microsoft 365 account.